Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Ekakasini, the wave of change from the 3rd to the 7th of August 2026 on Monday. As the Dube takes a step forward or toward letting go, the Shozis have to take 1-2, but they have to let in. Hubo has a sweet dream with embarrassing consequences on Tuesday. An intruder interrupt Pume and Senzo's bliss. Malume Jacob tried to close a 15-year gap, but instead feels insulted. Hubo and Ayalanga are in the same location at the same time but fail to see each other on Wednesday. Tension rise between Pume and Senzo, and Sihle and Jabulo gain access to the Dube mansion. Mounting financial pressure forces Gogo Shozi and Gadusizi to make tougher decisions on Thursday. As Senzo tightens his grips on truth or dare after the pool incident, Pume begins connecting the dots about his cheating. Ayalanga search for belonging pushes her toward an unexpected new dreams on Friday. The Dube's big launch exposes growing cracks, while Nomusa takes a drastic action and Malume Jacob explodes the event for profit. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.